Hey guys, welcome back to Central City BBQ. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz, and we're changing the scenery up again this week. As you can see, I'm on our big, beautiful concert stage right here in the parking lot of the restaurant, overlooking the beautiful city of downtown New Orleans. And this week I'm doing an ode to Texas with Texas Twinkies. My buddy Tim Hutchins, owner of Hutchins BBQ in McKinney, Texas, he does a great job there. He sells a ton of these. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make these things at home. Let's get started. Now that I'm gloved up, let's deseed some peppers. Got a fat jalapeno pepper right here. All I'm gonna do is cut it right down the center. Just like this. Open it up a little bit. I want it to spread out, just like this. And then I'm gonna get a spoon. We're gonna deseed this thing. I'm gonna pull all these seeds out of here, all the ribs, everything out of it. So look, I've got a pile of basically pepper ribs and seeds. I'm gonna go through and do the rest of them after that, but I'm gonna show you how to build one of them first. I got some cream cheese here. I'm gonna fill it with some cream cheese. Let's get it all up inside there. All right, you can get a little messy with it, doesn't matter. It's like feeding a kid, just keep scraping the lips on it. I also have some brisket point, basically where you get brisket burn ends from. I'm gonna take a piece, about the length of this pepper right here. I'm gonna cut it about like this. I'm gonna stuff that in there as well. So basically it's a burn end stuffed pepper. Anything you have to squeeze out, kind of wipe it off. Throw it back in here. After that, let's go to a piece of bacon. Now it might take two, it might be one, either way. We're gonna start here. Let's start at the base. Take the pepper and roll it around. All right, until you're completely covered. Now I've seen people stuff them with toothpicks. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can actually just tuck the bacon up inside. Because it's covered on that end. Just tuck it down in there. All right. Last thing I want to do, I've got a Central City BBQ all-purpose. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that over the top. Give it a little extra color and a little flavor. Nothing crazy. Whatever's left over, just roll it around. There we go. Roll it around there. Well, I'm gonna work on the next three. I'm gonna get these things on a smoker here. I've got the gateway drum fired up at around 300 degrees. I'll see you at the smoker. All right, so now that I got all four wrapped up, so I got them deseeded, stuffed with some cream cheese, with some brisket, wrapped in bacon, and some all-purpose. Let's get them on the smoker real fast. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is pull the lid off this gateway. And I'm gonna come down here. I've got this thing fired up around 300 degrees with some Blues Hog lump charcoal and some hickory chunks. I'm gonna tell it to go to bed for a little while. At least 30 minutes, we'll come back and check on them. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check the gateway real quick. Let's see what these things look like. All right, we're starting to get some really good color on them. The first thing I'm noticing is they're not quite done yet. The peppers are still a little hard. Bacon's staying intact. Let's give it about another 30 minutes. We'll come back again. All right, guys, it's been another 30 minutes. Let's check the peppers out real quick. They're actually starting to look really nice. The bacon looks like it's cooked. I've got a 50-50 blend of our sweet sauce and vinegar sauce. I'm gonna glaze them real quick. I don't remember if Hutchins does this or not, but I'm gonna do it on mine. It's got a nice little coating to it. And all we wait for those peppers to do is get a little soft and try them out. So let's let these things go for about 10 more minutes. I think we'll be fine. Let's get them sauced up real quick. All right, so let's give them about 10 more minutes. We'll come right back. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check these peppers out. Come see them real quick. Woo. These guys are ready. That glaze is set on there. Let's pull them off and eat them. Can't wait. Hey guys, this thing's cooked for about an hour. It's about a 10-minute glaze and about a 10-minute rest. I'm ready to eat these guys here. Come check these guys out real quick. Look at that. That sauce is caramelized on there. That bacon's crispy. I'm ready to try this guy out. Let's get to eating it. So look, I'm gonna cut one in half real fast. Take one of these ones in the back. These ones up front look really pretty. Look at that right there. Got some bacon, some cream cheese in there. Jalapeños. Man, look. That pepper is tender. The bacon is bite through. And that smoky brisket in there, that cream cheese. Man, this is good. I'm gonna finish eating this thing. I'll be right back in a second. Man, let me tell you, that thing right there brought the pie, y'all. That pepper has some heat to it. These things are delicious. It's summertime, grilling, smoking season. You know, I'm loving these appetizers you guys can do in your backyard. This is super easy. All I did was take a jalapeno pepper, a fresh one, cut it in the middle, deseed it, stuff it with some cream cheese. I put some burnt ends in mine, wrap it in bacon. I hit it up with a little bit of our Central City BBQ all-purpose. And let me tell you something. Smoked it for about an hour, then glaze it with a 50-50 blend of our sweet barbecue sauce and our vinegar sauce. Usually whatever one you like, about another 10 minutes. Let those guys cool off, because let me tell you something, they're gonna light your mouth up anyway. That was some good stuff. Hey guys, I love doing these videos for you. Hit that subscribe button so you get these notifications every week, every Friday morning when I put these videos out. Follow us on social media on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow myself on Facebook and on Instagram. I'd love to communicate with you, talk barbecue anytime you want. Also follow Hutchins BBQ in McKinney. If you're out that way, go check those guys out. They do a great job. See you guys next week.